Hello everybody, how are you doing? My name is Warren from Redline and we distribute Amina in the UK. Obviously when it comes to invisible speakers, it's one of those things. We can give you stats, we can give you figures, we can tell you what things sound like, we can tell you what things don't sound like. But really all we're doing is giving you the kind of words to get you to understand the sort of sound characteristics you get out of the speaker. It's a little bit different with bookshelves and with floor standers. You can literally just plug them in, pop an amplifier on them, and you're off and away, and you can tell pretty much instantly. It's a little bit more difficult to do that with invisible speakers or with hidden audio. So today, the reason I'm on here is to say that we're excited to announce that we have what we believe to be the UK's very first invisible speaker comparator demonstration room, right here with us at Redline in Wickford Essex. We have not only Amina here, we have all the direct competitors for all the invisible speakers manufacturers, all side by side, all driven off exactly the same amplification. So you guys out there can make a direct comparison and you can decide what is right for you. I suppose the aim of our comparator room here was to demystify the sound characteristic differences between all of the speakers. They don't all sound the same and they do operate in a slightly different way, but who are we to tell you what you should like and what you shouldn't like? We believe the best way to do everything in the fairest way is to listen to them yourself with your own ears and you decide what's right for you. So that's why we decided to do an invisible speaker comparator demonstration room right here in Wickford Essex. Pop in and see us. The demo room is now open. Contact details are on our website, or I'll put them linked in with this video as well. And we'd love to have you into our demonstration room to sit you down, have a nice cup of tea or coffee with us, and basically have a listen to the speakers side by side and see what you guys think. So there we are. We're very excited to say that our demonstration room, invisible speaker demonstration room, is now open, and we'd love to have you down here in Essex to have a listen with us. If that's something you're interested in, please do get in touch with us and we'd love to have you.